When it comes to inspiration, it's not as easy as you think to find the right source.
Are you recording again without me?
It seems like you brought an axe to an axe fight. Anyway, how do you find inspiration for your work?
Well, obviously I go to Twitter and Dribble and filter it out all by the likes.
And by did I cook? Yeah, that's probably the best way to find truly exciting and innovative and groundbreaking work. No, obviously it's not, it's shit.
Well, obviously I go to all of the companies in the niche and then figure out what works and what doesn't work.
Yeah, so the problem is, how do you find those things? And we were thinking about it for quite a while, and we realized that the solution is practically at our fingertips. Think of it this way. Most websites that you see, you have no idea how well they convert and how well they stack against other websites in that same category. So what we've done here is we used all my past knowledge of the 25 years of experience to create specific ways of parsing the information on those websites, parsing their design styles, parsing their copywriting. And we take all of that together, combine it with how well those websites do financially, the companies. And that results in a database unlike any other. One that actually shows you what works. One that tracks those changes over time. So when an industry shifts from one trend to the other, you will know. So it's not a catalog of websites. It's a tool that allows you to improve what you're doing in your business, in your design work, in your running a startup against all of the competition. Obviously, you can still use it completely free if you just want to browse the categories and see the websites. But all of the insights will be paid, and we're launching an early bird version of it. That early bird payment will be a lot cheaper, and you'll be able to keep it for as long as you're subscribed. If you want to be notified when the early bird is available, or if you want to just know when we launch, go to square.one and sign up today. I'm really excited about this because I had those exact databases before. They were internal and they took forever to adjust and manually update every time. But I used them for all of our redesigns at Square Black. So this is a simple announcement. That's not really a video talking fully about the platform because we can't reveal all of the stuff that we're doing there yet. But trust me, this is gonna be amazing.
It would be nice to have a pun at the end or something like that. We're cooking.
Yeah, we're kind of cooking here.
So go sign up right now and see what's actually working.
And once you do, we might all have a beautiful day. Cheers.